All right, listen, I got a comment on one of my posts about, ideas of when you should replace your HVAC system. Now, I think the first thing to remember is they were suggestions. I was not coming down from the mount with the stone tablets on HVAC replacement, all right? Suggestions. One of the suggestions I used was the relationship to warranty, because people do replace vehicles when their warranty's out because of peace of mind, right? Now, some people keep their vehicle much longer. My vehicle currently is 7 years. The warranty is long expired, all right? However, many cars sit on the used car lot at dealerships that have very low mileage and were traded in because the warranty is no longer in effect. So the comment suggested that 30,000 to 50,000 mile warranties. There's actually warranties that are much longer than that, but it's typically the traditional 36,000 miles or 3 years, whichever comes first, and it only covers normal wear and tear, right? And it doesn't cover normal maintenance, the cost of maintenance. Yes, you can buy plans that have maintenance coverage, and yes, you can buy extended warranties. We're just talking about the traditional warranty. And I think what happens when people make comments is they lose sight of what the post was about, and they really focus on their belief system. So, can you keep an air conditioning system and heating system for 10 years? Yes. Can you keep it for 20 years? Yes. You could probably keep it going as long as you're willing to invest in keeping it going. However, at a certain age, that system is no longer performing like it was designed to perform, just like your car. So the whole point is, a lot of times people choose to replace their vehicles when the warranty expires, even if they have only 50,000 miles on it, because they want the peace of mind of the warranty. HVAC systems, 10-year warranty typically. Some states it's 5-year and you have to register it to get the 10, but let's just go with a 10-year parts warranty. No labor, but parts. That could be a good time to decide to replace your system, because now parts are not going to be covered under warranty. It can get quite costly at that point in time to replace your system or to maintain your system, fix your system. Also, listen, there are utilities, a lot of utilities across the country have what we call early retirement programs, right? They will give you money to replace your system. Your system that, as people say, works perfectly fine. Why? Because the utility companies know that your system that is 10 plus years old is not working perfectly fine. Look, 53 years old. I know you're shocked. You thought I was going to say 33, something like that. 53 years old. Now, as much as I like to think I am an amazing human performance machine, of course I'm not. Just look right here. That's my flux capacitor. The reality is I am not performing like I did when I was 18, 20, 22. You get the point. Your system is not either. Your car is not. My 7-year-old truck is not performing like it did when it was 2 years old. Your HVAC system is not either. That's why many utilities offer an early retirement rebate. Your system's still working. It's just going to need to be upgraded, or the utility companies want you to upgrade it so that you can get a more efficient system. And a newer system is more efficient just by the standards that have been introduced to make systems more efficient. So you are saving strain on the grid for the utility companies, and you're lowering your own rates. So yes, a system that is outside of warranty, and for HVAC that's typically 10 years, it's a really good leading indicator to consider, comment guy, consider replacement. Not an absolute. Again, some people like to be reactive. Some people like to read comments and get infuriated and post things, quoting warranty stuff. Other people like to be proactive and plan. I am a proactive guy. I hope you are too.